We will be presenting the short talk about the importance of flint-knapping demonstrations and workshops in order to further develop experimental archaeology in Brazil. The aim of this abstract is to raise awareness on the importance of experimental archaeology as well as flint-knapping training and demonstrations in order to better understand Brazilian lithic assemblages. Since 2012, the three senior authors have been organizing hands-on workshops and flint-knapping demonstrations by Bruce Bradley to Brazilian researchers, students, and general public. The six flint-knapping demonstrations, four in São Paulo state, one in Rio de Janeiro, and one in Minas Gerais states, in 2011, 2012, 2016, 18, 20, and 22, reach around 150 people, and they have been important tools to educate researchers, students, as well as the general public about archaeology and the stone tools in general. The four hands-on workshops 2016, 18, 21, and 22, all in São Paulo state, involve 41 people in total. The four senior authors have been intensely involved in the development of experimental archaeology studies related to hunter-gatherer groups in South America, mainly in Brazil, during the Holocene. These studies have also been very useful to produce reference collections of artifacts associated with a wide range of technologies from many places in the world, including Brazil. In this sense, the workshop have had a pivotal role in shaping the discussion about lithic technology in Brazilian prehistoric assemblages, including important discussions about protocol of lithic analysis and, most importantly, the establishment of research lines in our laboratories that include experimental archaeology and the replication of lithic artifacts. In summary, the above-mentioned activities related to experimental archaeology highlight the importance of international collaboration and knowledge sharing in terms of bringing new perspectives regarding the lithic technology in Brazil, as well as educating the general public about Brazilian archaeology. We would like to thank the organization of the 13th Experimental Archaeology Conference for allowing us to participate in this event. Thank you for watching.